In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to initial in Adobe Acrobat. If you need to add your initials to a PDF for a contract, a form, or any document that requires quick acknowledgement, this walkthrough will guide you through the built-in tools in Adobe Acrobat. Make sure you have your PDF handy and that you're using Adobe Acrobat or Acrobat Reader with the fill and sign feature available. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat on your computer. Once the app launches, you'll land on the home screen. From here, move to the Tools area. This is where Acrobat groups all of its features so you can easily find what you need without digging through menus. In the Tools view, look for the e-sign category. This section is dedicated to digital signing tasks, including adding signatures and initials. It keeps everything related to electronic signing in one place for quick access. Select Fill and Sign. This opens Acrobat's streamlined workspace for adding personal marks, like text, check marks, signatures, and initials, directly onto your PDF. If your document isn't already open, you'll be prompted to choose the file you want to work with. Pick the PDF you intend to initial and let it load. With your file open and Fill and Sign, look to the left side of the screen. You'll see options dedicated to your signing tools, including an option for Initial. This prepares Acrobat to store your initials so you can place them on the page as needed. To create or edit your initials, click the pencil icon. This opens the editor where you can design how your initials will appear. Use the drawing option to hand draw your initials with your mouse or trackpad. Take a moment to make them clear and legible, smooth, simple strokes work best. If you make a mistake, use the clear or undo controls and try again until you're happy with the result. Keeping your initials readable helps avoid confusion when your document is reviewed. When your initials look right, click Save. This stores your initials in Acrobat's Fill and Sign tool so you can reuse them without recreating them every time. Saving here doesn't finalize the PDF yet, it simply saves your initials style. From this point, your initials will be available whenever you open Fill and Sign, which is especially helpful if you work with documents regularly. That's all you need to set up and save your initials in Adobe Acrobat using Fill and Sign. With your initials saved, you can quickly add them to any page and complete paperwork efficiently whenever it comes your way.